Imported cars can be exciting, unique designs, rare models, maybe a performance boost. But before you commit, it's important to understand the downsides that don't always show up in the headlines. Let's break it down. One of the biggest disadvantages is cost. Imported cars often come with higher purchase prices due to shipping, tariffs, and import fees. Even before you add insurance or registration, you're already paying more than you might expect locally. Imported cars sometimes use parts that aren't common in the US. That means replacement parts can be harder to find and more expensive. Routine repairs may take longer if your local shop needs to order specialized components. Another factor is regulations. Imported vehicles might need modifications to meet US safety and emission standards before they can be registered. That's extra time, extra paperwork, and often extra cost. If you plan to sell down the road, imported cars can sometimes have lower resale value or a smaller buyer market here in the US. Some buyers prefer models they're familiar with and are willing to pay more for them. Finally, warranties and service networks can be limited for imported vehicles. If the manufacturer doesn't have a strong local presence, you might find fewer service centers or less warranty coverage than you expect. Imported cars have their charm, but it's smart to weigh the disadvantages before you buy. Understanding these factors helps you make a confident, informed decision.